Hi everyone, Rachel Boucher here, Head of Content at Event Marketer, here with an exclusive peek at the Intel Technology Showcase here at CES. You'll see how Intel is engaging invited attendees in AI PC-enabled experiences for professionals. Check out our story at eventmarketer.com for more details on the experiential strategy. Let's take a look. I'm here with Victor Torregrosa, Events Program Manager at Intel. Victor, tell us about the overall strategy here and goals for the showcase at CES.
Yeah, our strategy here at the showcase for CES was to provide our key customers, our invited media, and key ecosystem partners a great experience to get access hands-on to all the technologies that we launched here at CES. So we wanted to create an invitation-only premium space where it's not loud and noisy, but they can actually touch the technologies and talk to our experts about these new innovations.
Well, you always know when you're in an Intel experience. It feels like Intel, but it evolves with the times and with the new goals and things that are coming out each year. So
this has completely evolved. So you remember on the show floor, we had 12,000 square feet of big bang theaters, bells and whistles, demos, experiences. And now at CES, it's all about invitation only, highly curated, hands-on quality.